If you ever find yourself struggling to read small text or view tiny details on your Android screen, there's a setting for that. In this video, I'll show you how to magnify your Android screen using a built-in accessibility feature. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's first talk about the magnification feature on Android. Magnification is a built-in accessibility feature designed to let people magnify their screens. You can use magnification anywhere on your Android device, from the home screen to apps and web pages. Let me show you how it works. First, unlock your Android device. Depending on your Android version and the manufacturer, the process might be a little bit different than what I'll show you here. Typically, you'll need to open the Settings app, and you can usually find that in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. On my Android, I need to swipe down a second time to see the gear. In Settings, look for Accessibility. If you don't see that in the main settings list, then check under the System or Device section. Tap it. Now, look for Magnification or Magnification Gestures. The wording might differ depending on your Android version. Here, you'll find the Magnification toggle, or a similar option to enable the feature. Turn it on to activate magnification. Your Android tells you how to start magnifying. On this Pixel 2 XL running Android 11, it tells me to tap the Accessibility button to turn magnification on. So tap it, then tap the screen to magnify. While magnified, drag 2 fingers across the screen to pan around. Tap the accessibility button again to turn magnification off. On this Pixel 7 running Android 13, it tells me to tap the accessibility button to magnify. Android 13 introduces a few nuances that aren't present in earlier versions of Android. As with Android 11, you can tap the accessibility button, then tap the screen to magnify. And like before, you can drag 2 fingers across the screen to pan around. Tap the accessibility button to turn it off again. While the screen is magnified, you can tap this small button here to toggle between magnifying the entire screen or just a portion of the screen. Then you can drag that window around to magnify just what you want. Tap that accessibility button one more time to end magnification. You can see a setting here that lets you select the default magnification type. And that's it. Now you have the power to magnify your Android, whether you need it for visual assistance or just to get a closer look at what's on your screen. It's a great tool to have at your disposal. By the way, most Android devices also allow you to use magnification with a physical keyboard. If you're using a physical keyboard on your Android, let me know what your magnification keyboard shortcut is in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tech tips and answers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.